Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have Android Studio and the Dart plugin. Now start. Open your Flutter project, switch to Project View, and locate the lib folder. Right-click lib, then choose New Right Arrow Dart file to create a file. Name it clearly, for example, main. Dart or utils. Dart, use lowercase and underscores. Once created, Android Studio will open the editor and suggest imports. Make sure your SDK paths are correct, otherwise, file templates won't show. Now you structure the file. If this is the app entry, add main and run app. Otherwise, start with imports and a class or functions you need. Use package, imports to reference other project files. This keeps IDE features working. Once done, format the file with code right arrow reformat and use Alt+Enter to accept quick fixes. Make sure to save and check the problems window for analyzer warnings, fix any missing imports or type issues before running. You finish by integrating the new file, import it where needed and reference your widget or function. Then run the app using the Run button or Flutter Run in Terminal to ensure the code compiles. If the app fails, check the problems pane. Most issues are missing imports or wrong package names. One key troubleshooting tip: if the analyzer can't find the file, invalidate caches and restart Android Studio, then run pubget. That resolves many sync and indexing errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.